My brothers, my friend doesn't want to be in the video, but FastEddie is going to do a video anyway without him. What I'm going to make with my high-end blender from Amazon, $12.95. I have here tequila to make my friend happy. And what we're going to do, get this thing off here. Oh shit, I can't see. We're gonna do 4 ounces of this bad boy. That's about 4 ounces right there. I can eyeball it. 4 ounces of tequila. Stop bitching. I hate when he complains like this because, you know, I make him these special drinks and he's just always complaining about my drinks. Now this, of course, is wrapped in bubble wrap because, of course, I was on a motorcycle. I didn't want it to break. Now this is going to be 2 ounces. 2 ounces right there. Good enough. You seeing that, brother? You're getting this, right?
Mm-hmm.
There you go. Whoops. This is lime juice. I think an ounce of lime should be plenty. Where's my top? Now this is the important part here. If you come over here to look at this, Amazon, $12. Press it once. Do it. Well, there's a couple of chunks of ice, but what are you going to do for 12 bucks? That's for my buddy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ah, that's great.
Perfect.
Now wait.